Okay, we're back. Hopefully things are a bit better this time around. What is this? Higher number... Wait, what? Okay. Each iteration positively impacts potential quality and how quickly bugs appear. Oh, I don't know anything about this. Salary 0, age 20, effectiveness is 100%. Wait a minute. Where am I? That's not what I wanted. Employee details. Thoughts? None. Okay. Good to know. Iteration 2. I don't know anything about this. I don't know what this does. Yeah, I don't know. I got money to start with for that. Develop. What does that I need to do? It's like 19% or some shit. Yeah, 19.6% is what I need to do. I don't know what they are. There we go. Review. Yes. Ends. 1.9 out of 10. I don't know what that is. Pause alpha work to improve the design of your software and increase the potential. Okay. .9 is what I want, I think? I don't know. No fucking clue what I'm meant to do. What else can I add to this? Yeah. That way. Noise is pretty bad for that. Hey, yeah, I'll do this. Conveyor. Table plant. Huh. Okay. Water cooler. Yeah. Security desk. Okay. Reception desk. Fire alarm. Sprinkler. Security camera. All these ventilation things. Ceiling fan. Cubicle wall. No. Lamp. Yeah. Or if you can't be bothered placing windows. Yeah. Oh, cool. These are all different things as well. There's not a lot here, to be fair. What is that? That's 30. That is 240. Corner table. Oh, that's cool. So I could do that like there, and then I could give you a instant coffee machine. Yeah, that'll be fine. Give you a little bit more comfort. End. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing here. I'm going to try and promote it. Are you sure you want to promote out of the alpha phase? You can no longer improve the quality. I don't know. I don't know. Like, fuck knows what I'm meant to be doing. I'm gonna do it because I don't know. Now we're fixing bugs, I think. Yeah. But, oh, there we go. Fix one bug. I can change the color. Let's just finish it. Yes. I did do it with outstanding quality. So what? I'm so confused. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, wait, what? Outstanding. 1 month early. What? 0 bugs. I'm so fucking confused. That's a shit ton of money too. If I develop software, would you like to begin the simple design document tutorial? I do want to, but I don't know how much money I meant they need. Yes. Welcome to design document, the heart of software incorporated. This is where you decide what kind of software you want to make. Start by picking a software type. Okay. Software type. Operating system, 2D editor, audio tool, game, office software. Like, you can do any of these things. You could be Microsoft for the whole game. You could literally just create Microsoft and MS-DOS and shit like that. You could also become a 2D editor. I don't know what you would class that as. You could become a sound guy. You could create games. You could become like Google Docs, or you could become an antivirus. So you could be any of these, but there's no engines. If applicable, you can select the software category. Each category for a software type has different development times, popularity, audience, retention. You can do computer and console. If you do 2D editor, you can do default. Look at that, 2D graphics. If you do audio tool, you can do default as well. And you have these different things here. If you do a game, of course, you can create different genres. If you do an office software, it's these things. If you do an antivirus, that's interesting. Like operating software for consoles for the TV. Okay. Oh, that's cool. It's different things. Huh. Okay. Then pick a name. Either write one yourself or press name. Ah, that's cool. What if I like say click game, and then if I change this to simulation, does this change this? It fucking does. Holy shit. Holy shit, that's good. So if I click RTS, oh my god, that's good. I can change the price of anything. Oh, that's interesting. You can also pick a price. If you leave the price field alone, the best price will be picked based on the software and features you've chosen. So if I add like everything, it really increases everything. Yeah. Like, that really increases the price. Okay. Oh. You could also change the tech level? And it takes fucking years? What? Okay. Let's look at the features you can pick for your product. Each feature takes time to develop and satisfies different markets. Software is divided up into specializations like 2D, 3D, system, etc. Each specialization is shown as a container in the feature panel, and each container has a list of extra features you can add. The extra features require that your employees have the right amount of stars for the specialization that they belong to. Features that are highlighted in red are unavailable because you don't have the employees. Okay. Star features are simply features that help satisfy some markets to a lesser degree. What? Oh, okay. I don't know what this red means. Okay. Star features are far more effective at satisfying their target audience than one-star feature. Okay. As you'll get more value for the time spent developing them. Star features don't satisfy your target audience, but instead modify your software in some way. But what? I don't get it. How do I unclick this? As you have noticed, each main feature has a tech level associated with it. Tech levels can be researched by you or other companies from year to year. Sticking to the latest tech level will increase your target audience satisfaction and the marketability of your product, but increase development time and the possible research and license costs associated with its development. It's worth noting that the maximum tech level is limited by any tools needed during development. You can make your software a sequel to a product you made previously or which you bought from another company. You do this by clicking the original IP button and selecting a product. Making a sequel will give a marketing boost and change your fans' expectations depending on the success of its predecessors. Features that were implemented in the predecessor product will be highlighted in orange. Okay. If you're worried about how to pay your devs, how many physical copies you'll have to order, or how much effort to put into your marketing campaign, you can sign up with a publisher. Makes sense. Normal publisher shit. Before you finish, make sure you inspect the information in this box. This outlines everything you need to develop this for this product. Take special note on the expected interest percentage, as adding more features after it hits 100% will only increase dev time. Oh, okay, that's cool. So, like, most of this isn't needed. is what it's saying. Ah, that's really useful. Okay. Having more than suggested amounts of employees on the development team will result in diminishing returns, so you're paying more in salaries but getting a smaller and smaller speed increase in return. So each one of these is 16%, that's 6%, that's 16. Okay, that makes sense. After you've went through the phase of development and you're ready to release your product, remember to see if any popular products have just been released in the same software category as yours. You can also check out the event calendar to avoid upcoming releases from your competitors and make sure a large company won't outshine your product. Timing is everything when you're just starting out. While you make your choices, the game made some choices on your behalf in the background. The game's choices might not be optimal, but you can safely start development at this point. If you want to dive deeper into dependencies, frameworks, and market targeting, you can switch to the advanced version of the design document. Otherwise, the first page of the advanced design document resembles the simple design document, but with an added framework panel. You can use or create a framework when developing software. Frameworks speed up development, but lock down the maximum tech levels of your feature. Using a framework made by another company will require you pay a license fee from your profits if you decide to create a new framework. Okay. The advanced design document has multiple pages. Let's move on to page 2. Oh Jesus, okay. Your product can depend on other software types. As an example, you will need a 2D editor to make a game with 2D graphics. Otherwise, your artists wouldn't be able to create the graphical assets needed. Furthermore, most software also needs to run on one or more operating systems. It would be wise to pick popular operating systems to support. Okay. Move on to the next page. Now, there's nothing here that I need because it's... yeah. The sub-market triangle lets you decide how your marketing and design efforts will be weighed to target a section of users in the market. You could either decide which markets you want to target and pick features that will satisfy those markets, that's cool, or pick features you want in your product and balance the market to fit those features. The 3 bars in the bottom will show you how well your chosen features satisfy each market and how much they require. Based on that's cool. I like this. This is the summary page. Here you can look over the final details of your product, decide on which design and development teams to use, and whether you want a publisher. Publishers will help fund your project, handle marketing and physical distribution. For a cut of your profits, click develop button when you're ready. Oh, that's cool. Oh, there's an auto balance thing. So if I add this, oh, I like that. So then I would probably do, oh, that's cool. Okay, I like this. This is cool. Now what do I want to do? This is the first page. A new one. Or existing one. There is no existing one. Okay, and it will be original IP because there's no other IPs. I've not bought any. Price will be whatever. I probably won't do anything with that. Okay. This is like there's nothing here I can do. This is interesting. I like this. This is really cool. So if I say add in this, it adds a lot of customization, and then I want to see what they do, because there was a way to fix. Oh, there we go. File encryption, system recovery, like they make sense. User accounts, yeah. Plug and play allows the user to interact with operating system in any ways they want. Yeah. I put an OS in your OS. Nah. Windowing system, yes. Custom themes, yes. And then what you do is you do this so that you could increase that, or you could auto balance. And then you would increase. You would do something like this. Auto balance. Wasted interest is 17%. So if I remove custom themes and then auto balance, and then add in, I don't know. Let's see, unified search. So that's 99%. Consumer reach is 138 million. It would take approximately 5 years. Recommended designers is 6. Recommended programmers is 12. Yeah, no, I can't do these things. There's no complaints because not now. Because I don't have it. Servers, no. Your releases, nope. Research, I would have to look at later. Okay. Distribution, manage your product, printers, and okay. All software, all companies. The software times, keep yourself updated on current events. That's cool. Event calendar, deals, insurance and investment. Invest in stocks and bonds, get content insurance, and view previous employee insurance payouts. Okay. As is your reputation in the software industry? Each star affects the quality of employee applicants, contracts and deals, and how many subsidiaries you can own. Contract is going up. Market recognition, okay. I guess we'll keep developing contracts. So that was far too good. That was outstanding. Let's try and just release something as quickly as possible. So let's see what happens if I just release a thing after it's done. So let's develop. And what do I need to get it to? I need to get it to 19%. So I'm just going to try 19% and see what happens. Actually, I'll do 90%, review it, and then see what happens. Because I need to get it what? I don't know what required quality bad is. So that's me where it needs to be, okay. Yep. Like, I don't know what that is. Progress is... I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing at all. Like, this says 0.2%. Like, I don't know what that means. I want to see what happens if I just release this. Or not release, but just promote it. Yeah. No bugs to fix. Let's see. With inadequate. So I did it. Okay. I don't know what these do though. I don't know what. I don't know how the things go, like the expected quality. I don't know if it's like, yeah, I don't know what the expected quality thing is. That's. I don't know what inadequate is. I don't know what. Like, outstanding, I guess, is the best. Horrible, I guess, is the worst. Bad is second, I'm assuming. Third is inadequate. Fourth is mediocre. I don't know. Let's go with the horrible one? I don't know. Like, there's no point in not going straight into develop, because they're terrible contracts. And I feel like I can just go straight into, like, finishing the alpha, and then just going out instantly. That's above the thing, so let's promote it. Oh, let's pause, okay. And then, I don't know. Let's see what happens when I finish it. Yeah, I got another inadequate. What? I'm so fucking confused at what the hell I'm doing here. That was the most recent one. Again, we got 0 bugs. I got 17 bugs here, and then 0, 0, 0. Okay. And they're always inadequate so far. I've made 36k already. Okay. There's nothing here I want. Why do you have a drawing tablet? Easy money. It is easy money. Calculators are the programmer's best friend. Inbox helps your employees organize, especially helpful for people who haven't heard of email. Clock. Oh, I can only do one of them. Nice. Interesting. Can only replace that at a computer. Okay. complete with books. Also, hi Hold Your Fire, how are you? I like how you can get all this shit. It's the same thing. I'm good. Try to figure out what the fuck I'm doing here. This game is very interesting. Is what I'll say so far about it. Like, I don't mind it. Okay. Like, I can lease these out. Well, I can lease this out at some point. I don't really want to. But if I wanted another person on a team, I could lease that out. I can't do any of these. And I can't buy any of these. So I don't know how to... I guess... Complete tasks to unlock new furniture. Buy your own land. Release your first product. Build a canteen. Make 12,000 from stocks and bonds. Hire your first employee. Okay. Okay. I thought there was a little bit. There wasn't that many. Nice. Okay. Wow, that's... Oh, this is unassigned? What? But that... Wait, what? It says unassigned. Traffic density? Is that a thing? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Like, there's a lot of traffic density there. That's the main road. Rent. Room grouping. Insulation. Flammability. This game isn't... Yeah. This game's a weird one. So it's not about making games, it's about developing software. So whatever you want, really. Like, if you look here, I can develop an operating system, 2D editor, so art editor, so like GeForce. An audio tool, so like Realtek, or whatever they're called. Games, of course. Office software, so like Microsoft Word. Antivirus, so like NordVPN. And then when you're developing it, you get all these things here. So you have to add in like password management, which I can't do. You need to enable interface to add this. But I can't because I don't have enough programmers or designers. And then you've got like this and you've got this expected interest thing, and if you go to 100%, you shouldn't then look at adding more shit because it's not worth it. What you could do is remove something and add something else to get 100%. Because it's wasted interest. I like this. It's really cool. But I could probably create this at some point. And then there's this advanced part where you can then like add stuff and you can look at what you want here. This is your audience, and you can change who you're looking for. So you might want people who just want passive protection, or people who want active protection, or people who like to monitor everything. And it changes this as well. It's cool. Like, there's a lot of really interesting things. But I think I need at least one more staff member first before I look into any of these things. And I want to make sure that I have enough money to to hire another staff member, but I think I can. It doesn't seem too difficult. Considering we're making, like, months as well are days in this game, but you can change that to 30 days as a month. It makes the game a lot longer. But there is also this skip unused time. And then you can also like speed up. So once they're away, once he's away completely, we'll finish this. And we've got an inadequate. Now we can click this. And then it just skips the time entirely. Yeah. So like I could add another employee, considering I made 21,000 yesterday, or last month, not yesterday. And then we've got all these. Art isn't something I do. And then I need to look at my employee at some point. He is slowly. Employees will only work in secondary roles if there are no other tasks available. Yeah, like he has points left, but I don't know how to assign them. Like this. So yeah, it's. There's a lot going on right now. Would you like to begin the hiring tutorial? Yeah. Before you can hire anyone, you need to put out a search for employees. Start by choosing which role your employee should be good at. So you could do lead, programmer, designer, artist, or service. We want programmers, and then you can choose between system, 2D, audio, hardware. Designers are the same. Artists are the same, but service is different. Support, marketing, or law. You should pick a specialization, yeah. Art, since no audio. Then you need to decide how much money you want to give your potential employee per month. Like, we're making how much? Like 21,000 already. The quality of applicants will depend on how high you set your salary and your company benefits, among other things. Very high skilled employees may have a chance to appear in the highest, yeah. You can also choose to interview employees in specific areas up front before you hire them, but that might be more expensive. So if you click here, then it costs more money. If you look at this, it can go up to 507 just to hire them. Each interview option will increase the final cost. And then you just do this, whee! Finally, you need to decide how much money you want to spend on searching for applicants. I think I'll spend like about 1,000. There we go. And I want a low salary employee for audio. 2,500, yeah. There we go. This is all the people I can get. This is a list of employees that applied to the open position in your company. You can select employees to inspect them and press the hire button once you want them. Try selecting an employee in the list. Okay. You can easily navigate the applications by using the arrow keys on your computer and pressing the enter to hire them. So then you've got all these different people. Some of them will have good compatibility with the one that I currently have, which is probably what I want over bad compatibility, of course. Like, yeah. And then they'll be hired for the core team. I don't know what the difference is between this guy and this guy. It's not HR I want though. Oh, that's cool. You're a hard worker, fairly independent and normal. I don't like the stressed thing. You're just an average person in general, very, very average. I'd like you, I think. Yeah. You have limited funds to sustain your company. Yeah. And then what we're going to do is move this. Can I move it, please? Wait, what? That's not what I want. But I want to add another table. I think. onto the end of here. This is, maybe this is the wrong way. So let's, can I move here? Okay. There. That's fine. Okay, that's a bit better, I think. Yeah. So let's add another computer to the end here. Let's duplicate this. There. And then I think I will move you to here. And I will put you here. Yeah, that'll be fine. Okay. And then I wouldn't mind putting something in the middle here, but there's nothing. I could put a desk lamp in the middle. I guess a desk lamp isn't bad. Yeah. That works. Okay. I took something off and I don't know where it is. That's cool. Yeah, I put something in my inventory and I don't know where it is. I put the books in my inventory. Where's books? Books. So I can put that back there, but I'll put it here, actually. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, I like this. So I've got another member of the team. I got a reward. We hired our first employee. Modern desk and a desk. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is make more contracts. Yeah, let's just rip through these, I think. Yeah. We know that I can do these without any trouble, really. And I'm waiting for my next employee to come in. Which is... I don't know what this is. Employee. I want to change the hours. I want to change people's working hours. Everybody works at the same time. She won't be in until tomorrow, I guess? I don't know. Oh shit, promote. Finish. I did it again. Okay. This is like super easy. I make stupid amount of money. Wee bam. Yoga ball and ergonomic chair. Okay. Nine in the morning. 10 in the morning, I mean. It's fairly warm. Oh, let's promote. Yes. Finish. Yes. Again, another one. Yep, let's keep going. Can I just accept all of them? Is he working on all of them? No, I want to pause these. I like how he was working on all of them at the same time. What the fuck? He does work on all of them. Wait. Higher number means higher priority. No. Wait a minute. So I want this to be the highest priority. This to be next. This to be after that. There we go. That's fine. And this has to be 23.6%. So this can be promoted. And then finished. Again, we made money for that. Like, it's so easy to do these. And this has to be what? 30, almost 30% complete. And he seems to be working on this more than this. Huh. Let's just pause these. I want to work on one at a time. This is okay. Like, I can make stupid amount of money this way. Because I don't need to complete these, really. I just need to get them to the percentage the game asks me to get it to. And I could just go, boop, done. That's this done. And again, we made enough money. Like, inadequate seems to be what I'm doing, and that seems to be fine. So yeah. Like, we made 24,000 already this month. Today. Come on. I kinda wish I had the second person. Points left. I don't know what to do with these points things. Oh. Well, you've got one there, two there, two there, two there, and I don't know how to assign them. Oh, we're done this. Finish. Again, we fulfilled it. Okay. Like, what's the point? Contract work is just, look at that, it's all done. Everything's done. What the fuck? We're done everything. So what I could do is start developing something. What do you think we should develop? Would you like to see an operating system, art software, audio software? I'm not going to create a game because games are just whatever. Office software or antivirus? Antivirus? Okay. Let's start an antivirus. We can only do default. Okay. Let's do an interface and software Scanning. Can't do networking. Source control management. Have all code synchronized in one place, which reduces bugs and makes your programs... Okay. Publisher. We'll go for a publisher. Can I do... What if I click all of these? 34.5%. Funding, I'll do myself. 23%. Operating system exclusivity. No. Wow. Wait, what? I like how royalty changes. But we'll do marketing and printing. What the fuck is funding? If you accept this deal, you're contractually obligated to release your product in September 19th. No. Okay, so we're looking for a new framework. What are we going to call it? Anti-evil filter. Anti-idiot protection. And hold your fire will be the framework. Okay, so now we're looking for... I have to add this. Oh wow, what the fuck is all this? Oh, these are different operating softwares. Okay. Let's see. So adding both of these makes it 94% instantly. Adding this makes it 130%. So it's a bit too much. What market should we focus on? The market currently is lower is better. The current market is active protection. So application scanner, malware alerts, hacking alerts. What else is there? And then it is passive protection is next. And then we'll do file encryption. No, let's do anti-theft. That's too much. There we go, that works. It will be released in about a year. I am recommended 3 designers, 5 programmers, 1 artist. How much you will have to pay per month during development to use chosen tools. How much you will have to pay for operating system license for each employee to develop the product. Royalties, none. Okay. I want publishers, but I don't want to pay... I don't want them to be like, we're expecting it next year. You currently don't have any running project management skills. Okay. Would you like to begin the design work tutorial? Yes. Okay. While you work on your design document, you should start telling the world about your new project. Start by announcing a release date by pressing the market button. You'll have to do some guesswork when picking a release date. but it will increase the effectiveness of all your future marketing efforts. Just make sure the release is on time. So it says about a year. But I'm expected, like, I have a fifth of the programmers. 1/5. I don't know how long this will take us. Like, you're good at programming, but nothing else. But it says you're a designer, but you're not a designer. Me, I'm pretty good at quite a lot of things except audio. Okay. You should announce a release date for your product as early as possible, as it will increase the effectiveness of your marketing efforts, keep followers interested longer, and help set a goal for your project. Make sure you don't release the product too late. 2 years? I think 2 years seems fine. Text. How? Like, this makes no sense, text, because we're in 1980. Yeah. Are you sure you want to? Yeah. Yeah. Before you move on to the alpha phase of development, you should make a press release to tell the world about your product. When you market your product before it's released, you build a following. A project's followers are guaranteed to buy the final product when it releases. However, they might not all buy it straight away, or they might refund it if it is very buggy. Your employees will have to work on making the press release. So if you think it'll take a while, you can pause your design work by pressing the play button. Start by bringing up the marketing window again. Make sure you read the text in the marketing window as it tells you how to handle the different marketing actions available to you. A press release will so you should wait a bit into the design or development phase before making a press release. Each press release will decrease the effort of the next one. Okay. That's fine. Click the development button to begin development when you are ready. Right click the title bar of the work item to toggle between normal and collapse view. Okay. You work on this, I think. So this will take a very fucking long time. But we've got 2 years to do it. 2 years and 2 months, roughly. Writing press release. None of our guys are good at marketing. Oh yeah, let's just skip. So we've got 71,000. I'm okay for now. If I need to, I'll just rip through a few contracts. If we look here, there's quite a few ready for me. I could rip through them again. It did, yeah, you know what? Let's pause. Let's accept all these. Let's just have fun. I want to see how much this will stress them out a lot, I think. Effectiveness is really bad. This furniture is uncomfortable. I'm happy with my benefits. This room is soothing me. I love working. The furniture is the bad thing. Okay. I could probably fix that. Yeah. Let's look into selling that, and then I could just add this, and then I'll see what that does. 2 new things. Be right back. Oh, that's a long video anyway. I'll be right back.